What's up, YouTube? In today's time, driving in our cities and highways is always a risky job. Many times, even if you haven't done anything wrong, due to lack of evidence, you may be at the receiving end of some mishaps. Therefore, I decided to invest in a good dash cam, and after some research, I zeroed in on this one, a Redtiger F7N Touch. It was around 15.5K when I bought this from Amazon. This is the package I received from Amazon, neatly bubble wrapped, no sign of tampering. Good job, Amazon. Let's open the package. Here it is. The company package also seems really good, well sealed. No sign of tampering here as well. Let's open the box. Oh, this is the front cam, and I never thought it would be this small. Look how tiny it is compared to my hand. For more clarity, this card is the size of a credit card, and this is how much the camera is. This can neatly stay behind the RVM. And this is the suction mount with the GPS unit. Peel off the plastic film and rotate the lever. It will suck onto the windshield. This is the GPS unit. So it's written in bold, so no confusion. The charging leads also there powering the GPS. The camera unit is connected to the mount and GPS. It just slides in, no lock, as I can't hear any clicks once it is in place. Let's put this aside and see what else is there in the box. Okay, there is a lot of papers in there. Let's see, what are these? QR code to access Redtiger site, Instagram, etc. This is the user manual explaining all the functions and ways to set this up. It covers what's in the box. Where is the rear cam? And power supply cable, one cable for rear camera, electrostatic stickers, and a 64 GB micro SD card. I ordered this cam because it comes with SD card, and I don't need to worry about buying another one, the class of SD and all that. Also, there is 3M adhesive mount for the rear cam. Here is the rear cam along with its power cable. Some cable clips to tuck in the wires, and the trim tool to push the wires inside the beading of the car. This is a quick start guide, QR code for app download, help videos, etc. This is the electrostatic sticker to be applied on the rear windshield before the 3M adhesive goes in. It will prevent the adhesive coming off when the defogger is activated, I believe. This is the 64 GB Lexar card. Again, this is the GPS and suction lock. The camera got two inputs, a C-type USB for front camera and AV input for the rear cam. Peeling off the plastic film, and here we go. First impression, this looks like a good camera unit. Build quality is good. The plastic seems to be of decent quality. To adjust the camera angle, loosen this knob and turn the camera to adjust the angle. It's not a free moving adjustment. There are slots, so probably in every 5 degrees, I don't know. And you can set the angle at those slots. The mount is like this, and the camera can be adjusted like this. Let me get to the car now. Here we are. Half the work is done. Camera mounted, connected to this 12-volt socket, wire stuck into the beadings. Use the trim tool to push the wires inside. First time when you turn it on, few settings needs to be done, language, time zone, etc. When we set it up, the rear camera wires was a little too long, so we tucked all that into the interior of the car. It's pretty simple and easy job. Before installing the rear cam, wipe the glass clean, put the electrostatic sticker at the right position and peel off the 3M cover and fix the cam. Don't worry too much about the angle here. The camera can rotate easily, and even if you attach the camera in the wrong way, there is a function called mirror flip, so it automatically adjusts that. Remember to leave some extra length of wire free, so when you lift the trunk door, it won't be too taut. First visuals are in. You can see the front camera and on the top left corner, the back cam visuals. This button on the left is the power on-off button. Long press will turn the camera on or off. Also, short clicks will cycle through the display modes. Now you can see regular view with both cams. Now front only, now on back only, direction and GPS readings, and now display is turned off. On the right side of the cam, we have 3 buttons, top and bottom, to navigate through the options on the screen if you don't want to use touch. Middle one is to bring up the menu. Bottom one acts as a shutter button, so you can take photos. Upper one locks the screen, and here is the menu brought on by the middle button. I had set up speed units to km/h and enabled GPS stamp and speed stamps, etc. The Wi-Fi needs to be turned on to transfer files using Redtiger app. Pretty slow download, I would say. A 5-minute video will take around 5 to 7 minutes to download. On the resolution part, one advice. A 5-minute video will be about 900 MB if it is set for 2K. The company says this is a 4K cam, but I don't find a setting for it. So with the 64 GB card and some space reserved for urgent files where files are moved in case of a shock detected, we get about 55 GB with 1-minute video being 180 megabytes. Around 5 hours of footage will be retained. The video clarity is okayish and the glare from the windshield is ruining the video, so maybe better to install a polarizing filter. The app is pretty simple. Turn on Wi-Fi and connect the camera, and you can see live footage, turn on or off the mic, download front and rear cam footage, etc. Here is some running footage, and you can see all information that we opted at the bottom as a watermark. Number plates are readable even with a 15-meter distance. When I was going out today, and this white Maruti Swift drove dangerously in on a junction, and these guys on the bike were saved miraculously. The bugger didn't even stop and ran away. With that, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. If you like this one, please share, comment, and subscribe. Adios.